What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Huh? Yeah. Here we go. You guys ready? Look at, there goes Mom.
Hi, Mom. Adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole.
Going down the rabbit hole.
All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, how about the brown?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. Oh, no, that way.
Now this is curious. How can you run?
He went this way. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait, don't go, please.
Good try. This way.
Oh, it's the top. So that's the baby's bed. Maybe the horse is ready.
And making cheer, we said.
Because we know.
Oh, the 60 grow.
Back goes the big bed. Oh, and get me going. Maybe the horse is ready.
Your Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
And Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
With their heads! Stop it! Goodness!
Now we're going where the teapots are.
Yeah. Okay, Mom's gonna be down there.
Honey, today's my birthday too.
Then holds the cake.